I'm going to dive into this experience for us so that we can practice locating interactions. Because if you want to look at some of our Ceros templates or even some company templates you have or previous experiences someone made on your team, being able to jump into a template or experience and understand the interaction will help y'all increase your build time and rebuild interactions if you'd like as well. So I'm going to show y'all this quick interaction example here in our preview. And then I'm going to break down how it was created in the studio for us. So with this one, you can see we're able to hover over it. Our button transforms to that blue, and we can even click into it to view our more info pop-up and then close it when we're done. So we have 3 interactions happening behind the scenes here. One is the hover, to show this hover button. The second is clicking to show our pop-up. And then our third one is hiding that pop-up. Now this is kind of going into our show hide interactions focus for the week. And this is a really common way to use this interaction, is having a pop-up and showing and hiding it. So I'm going to open this up in the studio for us, just so that we can get a better view of this experience and what's going on behind the scenes. There we go. Perfect. All right, so let me zoom out. With this experience, it's a super quick module, so there's not a ton of assets. We've got our base asset, all of those, and then our CTA. Perfect. Now with this, we do have 2 versions of our button, so I'm gonna call that out first. We have the regular CTA that's just there, and then we have the on hover version of it. That one, we just kind of inverted it. We made a copy of it, changed the colors around, and we wanted that to show when we hovered over the original button. So we created it and then toggled off that visibility. And then instead of just applying the interaction directly to our button, we wanted a little more surface area to work with. So we use this hotspot here. You'll find that in your toolbar. These hotspots are really handy for a number of reasons, but when you want more surface area for your interaction, you can make these however large or small you would like. So you can see this one, we've got some more room. And we can easily rename these hotspots as well. So whatever you name this hotspot is going to show up in your analytics after publishing. So you can quickly go in, rename it. I know that this is going to show a pop-up when I click on it. And if you're working with a lot of other users in an experience on your team, these hotspot icons help you easily spot where that is and where your interactions are.